Hey everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is going to be my March no-buy update. So, exciting news, like kind of on both ends, I should say. Like two different kinds of good news, I guess. So, if you've seen from the thumbnail, I kind of bought something, but I didn't buy anything, so I'll explain that. So, basically, I was doing really well. I did not buy anything at all. No makeup, no skincare, no hair care. So I'm like super proud of myself for not like going to Ulta or Sephora or anything. I'd been to Target a couple times, didn't get anything there. So all in all, I would consider this month to be a success in my no-buy. But this is something that I'm going to kind of consider separately. I don't know if this is cheating, but whatever, I do what I want. So I got the Petitfour subscription. So I've had this before. I think I only got one box, but I don't know, I just didn't appreciate the box for like what it was, like trying new things. I kind of thought that I would only get makeup at like, you know, at first, like Ipsy or something, but now I kind of appreciate more, and I really want to try more natural products versus like the conventional kind. So if you're interested in that, I would definitely check out Petitfour, because the boxes are $18 a month, and it's like really high-end natural like makeup, skincare, hair care. So they send this little card, like every subscription box, I think, and it explains about the products. I've already opened it, of course, but let's go ahead and get into it. Also, Petitfour has a nice rewards program. So if you get the box, and if you review all the products in it, then you'll get $1 in credit for each product that you review, which is like $4 free every month to use. Plus, if you like buy stuff from their store, you get 20% back in rewards points, which is a lot more, I think, than Ulta and Sephora, where you get like 1%. So if you spend $100, then you get 20 bucks to use next time. So the first thing that was on top was this cognac sponge natural vegetable fiber face cloth. So I've heard about these, but I have never ever like tried one. I've never opened one, so I'm gonna actually open it. There's like a whole instructions. And I thought this was gonna be like hard. Oh yeah, it feels exactly like I thought it was going to. I guess these get softer when you use them, or it probably unfolds from this cute little design they've got going on here. I've only seen like the round ones, like the Beauty Blender looking ones, but this one is like a cloth. So I'm reading this thing. Apparently you can use that like by itself or with a cleanser. This is going to last up to 3 months. Wow. And you can compost it, which is nice. I don't have a compost at my house, but if you do, it sounds interesting. I probably would not have gone out and tried it myself, which can be a good thing or a bad thing. I mean, I'm interested in it now. Like I wouldn't like not use it at this point, but sometimes that's good, because if you get something that you wouldn't have tried normally, you might like it, but then it's like having something that you didn't want in the first place. But I was kind of curious about it, so yeah, I don't know. And the value, how much is that? It was $16, so that's a lot. The thing in here is this Argan Oil from Kahina Giving Beauty. So I think this is just pure Argan Oil. So I do use Argan Oil quite a bit. I used to use that before I found my Derma E moisturizer. So this one should be good. I'm pretty sure it's just pure. Because mine, I was actually almost out of mine, so I'm kind of glad that I got this one now. And I can't find the brand, because I had like just straight pure Argan Oil, not that Josie Maran rip-off stuff. So this doesn't smell like Argan Oil, so I don't know if there's something else in it. Because Argan Oil's got like a nutty smell. Yeah, there's definitely something else in this one. But still, I mean, it feels nice. So I'm glad to give this a try. So this is a mini size at $10, and the full size of this is $82. So yeah, there's definitely something else in this, because pure Argan Oil isn't that expensive. And then the next thing was this Yurok Feed Your Ends Leave-In Conditioner. So I've seen other people that have the box and they got like a mousse, which I'm glad I didn't get because I don't use mousse. I don't blow dry my hair or anything. So this one will be nice, and I can just spray it in my hair after I get out of the shower and move on. It smells really good. It actually smells like intense, like mint and rosemary. I'm pretty sure there is rosemary in it. I looked before, I think. So this like pretty much looks just like a very natural, like it's all natural oils and everything in here. So it's definitely better for you than like conventional leave-in conditioners that just kind of coat your hair. They don't really do anything for it. So this one is going to be more natural. Hopefully this one's not too expensive. Now the full size is only $27, so that's actually not bad for a natural hair product. And the last thing that was included in the box was this Everyday Minerals Velvet Eyes eyeshadow. This is actually I think this might be a full size because they only list $6. So let me look on their website. Okay, so this is a full size. They do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have 8 different colors of this on their website, and they're $6. It's probably the cheapest thing on Petitfour. So I've tried this as a highlighter and an eyeshadow. It is really, really nice. I really like it. It's just kind of, these powder products, like I have to sit here and tap it out of the thing. So it's not really that good of a swatch. Let me get some more. I don't think you can see it because of my lights. They're kind of, it's dark outside, so it's difficult to find a balance here. But that's it right here. It just looks like a really natural glow, and I really like it for highlighter, and I use it on my eyes also. I would probably consider purchasing more of these because they, like I said, they are the cheapest thing on Petitfour, and I think $6 for a loose eyeshadow like this is incredibly reasonable. So I'm curious to try more of these. I don't really have that much experience with loose eyeshadows, but I think they actually last longer than pressed eyeshadows. Like they stay good and fresh for longer if you do them well. Like if you don't dip your brush straight into the product, if you tap it out like on the lid, then it should last longer so bacteria doesn't get in it. And I think the thing that goes bad on pressed eyeshadows is like the oil or whatever they put in it to make it pressed. So they have quite a few colors. They don't have like dark, looks like they're all kind of lighter, like more highlighty type shades. So I am really interested to try these out. And actually, like now that I'm touching it with my finger and not a brush, it feels like it's called the Velvet Eyes eyeshadow, and it feels like velvety too. That's kind of like, it's weird but good. And then this I got in here because I think it's because I was a new subscriber, but they put in this, or they had a code or something that I put in for this Connie Moon Milk Shimmering Body Oil Jasmine and Tuberose. So it's just a shiny body oil. So I'll put this on my other hand. I don't know if you can see it there, but this is really nice. It's just like, it's really strongly scented. I wish it wasn't like so powerfully scented. And actually this, I don't know what it is. I've smelled this smell like quite a few times. It is, there's some perfume that my grandma uses, and it has like the main note in that perfume is what's in this. I can't pinpoint it. I don't remember exactly what it is. I don't know if it's jasmine or if it's something else, but that's just exactly what it reminds me of. So I mean, this will be nice like for pictures, or if you're going out or whatever, like on your shoulders if you're wearing like a strapless dress or something, which I don't do, so I don't know what I'm going to use this for. You might also be able to put this in your hair. It's like an oil. Maybe. I don't know. I won't put it on my face though. That's just because it's too strongly scented. Because I put it on my hand when I first got it, and I smelled it like for hours and hours and hours until I took a bath. That was it for today's video. Let me know what you think. I am so glad that I did really good with not buying anything, which I kind of did because I got the box, but I think that will kind of crave my, or like satisfy my urge to buy new stuff all the time because I know I'm going to be getting something. And yeah, I don't know, just some people, like going through the makeup rehab thing, they stop getting those boxes. But I mean, I've never come across anything on Petitfour that I wouldn't consider buying, so you know, I think it's a win-win, just so I don't like go out and buy stuff I don't need. But I know I'm only ever going to spend $18 for this, so yeah. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Not already, please subscribe so don't miss any future videos. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you then. Bye.